What's up everybody, I'm Jordan Escusa. I'm over here right now at the MX Fairgrounds racetrack, and I'm in my Xtreme gear and I'm about to take an extreme challenge. It's the ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. I've been nominated by my cousin Sam, and today I'm going to fulfill this. And because we are extreme, we're going to be doing this a little bit extreme, MMF style. As you can see, before I do this challenge, I'd like to nominate in behalf of us over here at MMF, our extreme friends, to take on this challenge. It's for a cause. So, Mangosong, Aguilars, Orbes, Gabriels, Albertos, and basically even our celebrity friends who do motocross like Jordan Herrera, Sam Milby, and also my celebrity friends in the field. Come on and do this. The Valencianos, Manila Genesis family, and Jen Connors, mga taga Taytay. Anybody who's been tagged in this video, I dare you, I challenge you to take on the ALS Bucket Challenge. The ALS Ice Bucket Challenge. Come on guys, it's for a good cause. I think it's a good thing to be aware of this. And so, here goes. Let's do this. That was the coolest challenge ever, and I just want to say God bless those people with ALS, and let's continue to spread the awareness and love. And yeah, I'm Jordan Escusa, and everyone out there, God bless you guys. Thank you for watching. Soldier.